Hi, I'm Henry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a cartridge on your water filter bottle. Each of these filters can filter up to 210 liters of water, depending on the quality of your water. A clear sign that it's time to replace a cartridge is a reduction in the water flow coming out of the bottle. You can purchase replacement cartridges through our nationwide distributor network or via our online store. They're available in a variety of colors. To replace your cartridge, simply follow these steps. Unscrew the used cartridge. Screw the new one into place. Fill the bottle with tap water. Squeeze until empty. Repeat this process once more. Your filter is now activated and ready for use. JoJo's unique 3-in-1 disruptor technology kicks in the moment water passes through the filter media, giving you cleaner, safer water with every sip.